don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Kenang QR code winner 25 rand. Welcome to our fans on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Golden Arrows 0. I'm joined by Isaac Mavuso.
Hola, Steve.
Yeah.
Insang fanaka.
Umnat.
Mfethu. If wena umnandi nami ngimnandi.
The country mnat.
Ish angathi mfethu.
Country mnat.
Lalela kahle uvula indlebe mfana manje.
Yeah.
Manje ubhekane neSiswati, yasathi iSiswati.
Yasazi futhi.
Uyasazi?
Thetha.
Ya, ngiyathetha manje.
Thetha.
iSiswati manje uvula indlebe mfana. Ay madoda amakhosi amahle. Oh South Africa yonkani ne?
Yeah.
Ey, sibhlungu madoda sibhlungu.
Yeah.
Lokwendeke itolo la around Joburg labantwana labang14 lebahambile so kunasesi loyi1 lolahlole abantwana labang2 eish kubhlungu sithiko.
It's painful,
but condolences to their families. So guys sibukelile ibhola imnanzi sithiko man, and especially makwina iChiefs. iChiefs phela iteam inkulu yona mara sometimes yes disappoint le team. Mara namhla sijabulile kumnanzi sonke simakhosi
celebrate
mara si celebrate kabuhlungu mina bengisola ngikhala Steve ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs once ingashaya igoli leli1 iya relax bese bayakhava namanje sibe nenhlanhla ukuthi abakakhave yabona but yabona lesikimi esingene emuva
sure
neda ngathi labo coach babe sebasilahla man lesikimi esingene emuva bese right and londlovu
is a quality
umnika man of the match so sengivala Steve angivala ngenational team phela national team kahle noma silahlile simakhosi national team yethu mara once kwangena sandla semfene lapha ku national team ayiyi phambili. If you can remember very well in 1996
sure
Kaizer national team bafana ithathe ini i-AFCON benta njani ene umuntu beka in charge lapho uClive Barker. Clive Barker idlale ijampisa umnyaka oyi1 98 sebamkhipha Clive Barker manje sewendeni sebathatha icup ya Clive Barker boyilahla kuphi eBurkina Faso bayinika bani Jomoson ene Jomoson walabantu laba ene nanyalo labantu laba bahambile baya eEgypt bahamba bodlisa le ngabe bona abakawusebenzisi lo muthi wabo emaqanza le ngabe siwinile noma ngabe Sithibo noma ngabe abakawafaki ma player eChiefs yabona mara indaba yabo ukuthi bafaka ama player abo bafaka yonke into yabo nemuthi wabo futhi nalo coach wethu so yabona nyalo ukuthi labantu laba bePirates bambulala babulala national team lamaqanza noma bangafaka eOstrich angeke siwine. Khosi for life.
Thank you. Steve.